So, went out to ride my bike this morning, and the tire is completely flat. Unrideable. I haven't seen it go, I just rode it a few days ago, so it shouldn't have gone down that fast. First thing you do is take the tire, a wheel, off the bike. A lot of different bikes have different ways to take them off. Mine has a little quick release, so I use that. And then, first thing I do is go around the tire like this. Just look at every portion of it right here where it hits the road, and look for a thorn or a screw. Usually big thorns get in there, and then you know right where the hole is at. That'll help you out. But I don't see anything this time, so the only thing I can do is take off the tire and look at the tube, check it out. First thing you need is these tools, these little tools here that you can buy at any Walmart or whatever, little tire removing tools. Let me show you how they work. It's got a little, I don't know, a thing on it right there for prying. You stick it down in there, which is hard to do with while you're holding your darn phone. I don't know how all these YouTube video guys do this, but make sure you don't get a hold of the tube and pinch it. Then you'll have another hole. But you can see, oh, okay, so you stick it in there, get a hold of the edge of the tire, and it'll pop right out. With it flat, it comes out pretty easy. And then you just go like this and stick it on your spoke, and that holds it for you. So then you got two hands to work with. So then I'm going to move over this way and hook it on, and I'm going to have to quit videoing because I can't hold my phone. Okay, once it's in there, it's pretty easy. Bicycle tires are pretty easy compared to like a car tire or a motorcycle tire. You'd really be pushing and grunting, but this pops right off. Pops right off, no problem. So now we just go around and pull it all off with our fingers at this point. I need something to hold my phone. So once you get the tire loose from the rim, then you take your little dust cap off so it'll fit through the hole here. My dust cap has a special tool for taking out the valve, the Schrader valve right here. It goes inside here, and then you can unscrew it. Yeah, it goes in there, and then you can unscrew it. I'll show you that later maybe if we need to. Okay, so but then you just pull the tube out, and then you can pump it up and start looking for holes. The thing to do is try to remember which way it was in there. So if you do find a hole, then you can go back and look. I guess it doesn't matter that much, but you need to go back and look on the inside of I usually run my fingers across the inside of the tire. That way you can find a thorn sticking in there, but it's gonna hurt when you do find it. So once you have it pumped up a little bit, best thing to use is some soapy water, which I mixed up here. Just put some soapy water on here. Look for the bubbles. I don't know if you can see that in my phone. Maybe wasting time there. Tried to prop my phone up. If there's a hole, it's going to just start bubbling right away. I got nothing. Okay. So now we'll check around the valve. bubbling there either. Well, not sure what to think. Well, okay, here's one I've never seen before, actually. It's actually leaking right out of the valve. If you can see that. The bubbles just keep coming and coming. So that's bad. You can't patch that. It's coming right out of the seam right here where the valve hooks up. So I don't know what happened there. Somehow it got caught on something. All this moving, it destroyed it. Maybe I'm hopefully I have a brand new tube I can put in it. That's what I'm hoping. It's a 26 by 1.95. That's the size of the tire. So you look for a tube in that range, which is, I got one, 26 inch, and it goes any width, 1.75 to 2.25. So I'm right in the middle. So I'm going to use it. And this is a good one. It says it's self-sealing, so hopefully that's true. It's got slime inside of it, I guess. Really flat and been in a package for a long time. So what I always do is put a little bit of air in it, so it makes it easier. Just a little bit to get it, give it some body. Okay, I put just enough air in it to so it doesn't get twisted and get pinched. And then I put soapy water all over it, so it could slide around inside really easily. Then find the hole for the Schrader valve, put it in there. Oh, I gotta go check my pump. It just shut off for some reason. Okay, just start putting it in there nice and even all the way around. I'll be right back. Well, anyway, once you get the tube in there, as you can see, the little Schrader valve sticking out, you can just go ahead and start popping it. I usually start here, that way you know you're not going to get a pinch there, hopefully. You can do most of it by hand if you're using two hands, so I'm going to use my two hands. So this last little part here won't go in with your fingers, and you got to get the tools out. Here's your tool to pop it back in. All right, and there you have it. Tube's in there. Be careful this valve doesn't go flying up inside there where you can't reach it. Okay, and then we'll go air it up. I like this thing because you can screw it on and then the valve won't slip down in there while you're trying to push on it. Much better deal. And you can hear it getting, oh yeah, it's working good. Starting to seat, you can hear it pop, pop, pop. As the bead seats all the way around, making some noise. Check it, make sure it's not bulging out anywhere. 40 pounds is plenty, but some of these say you can go up to 60. Actually 65 on mine. It says 65. You can go up to 40 to 65. Okay, I'm going to show you how to take out the Schrader valve. Sometimes you might want to do that and clean it if it's leaking right from, where is my phone? Oh, right from there. Okay, so I don't know how I'm going to hold my phone and do this. So basically, you got this tool with the little teeth, fits down in there, and you can feel it grab. Then you just twist it. Okay, this one was pretty tight, but once you get it loose, it'll come right out. And then there it is, all the air comes right out. But you can see how it's made. This little thing here goes up and down. Boy.
So this little thing goes up and down. So lets the air in. You push it in, and when you let go, it seals. And you got the rubber seal. Sometimes that rubber seal goes bad if your tire gets really old. But that's it. And you put it back in the same way. Okay, put it back in the same way you took it out. I guess people must have they must have some way to hold their phone. I don't know, or else they have somebody else hold it. Yeah, you just screw it back in. Now I'm not going to worry about this one too much because this is it's got the bad valve where it's leaking right there. Can't even see anything wrong with my eyes. Weird that it's